Howdy and welcome to day 12 of Stuff Your Stocking. Today's selection includes a fun Tula Pink project bag. It has a really nifty metallic stars and dots interior to it that gives a nice fun to play with a great little ruler back on it, a nice zip top, and Tula's signature hardware. Along with that, to get you started in your project tote, we have a set of the new extra long fine glass head heat resistant pins. These are perfect for working for your fine fabrics or with your quilting project. The nice sharp tip on it will make it easier for you to get through. We also had a few questions from people regarding some of the products that we were not able to post videos on because they hadn't arrived in time. One of those was the Marilees numbered pins. The Marilees numbered pin comes in a larger round pin container. This container makes it so that when you open it, you're able to have a nice selection of pin numbers on the top, and then your rest of your numbers 11 through 20 on the bottom, so that you're easily able to separate your pins, so that when you're working on a quilt and you want to label a row, you can select a pin with a number on it, or you can of course use a Sharpie and create numbers on your own to go with them. Great little kit here, making it easy for you to keep track of things as you're sewing. But it does come in a nice two-part up and down case. The seam ripper was another one because, again, we didn't have a video to put into perspective. The size on this is not super large, so it can very easily be placed anywhere around your sewing table to give you that third hand. If you had responded to these and would like to still add them in, please let us know if you've changed your mind now that you've seen a little bit more about them. Have a great day.